CRP robotic laser welding solutions. Coaxial anti-collision function. After a collision, the robot exits for 5 and 6 automatically softens. Easy reset operation. High precision of anti-collision reset. Side border collision function. Vertical anti-collision function. Double servo push throw wire feeder. Configure the pullers. Focalizer. Flexible adjustment of positive and negative focus welding. Vertical teaching apparatus. Small electric cabinet, small volume. 224 power supply. Integrated wire feed. Rapid arcing display. Coaxial CCD monitor. Welding effect display.